Hi everyone, I will show you how to delete Facebook Messenger messages. First of all, open your Messenger app, then open your chat, and you need to hold your chat and tap the three dots in the bottom right and tap to remove option, and you need to tap to unsend option, and your message will be deleted on your Messenger. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.